there's something a bit nefarious about big pharma, and maybe there is, right? I mean, there's plenty that we probably would want to change, and people talk about the sort of industrial, pharmaceutical complex that people talk about that in relation to America as well as and other geographies as well, and that there are things that have got totally out of whack. But I think, in terms of the context of our conversation, really just wanting to land how important and meaningful the sector is actually, and you've been speaking to that in terms of your career trajectory and what was informing your choices. But we're talking about things that are just making so much difference to people's lives, and it's moving fast, and we don't always appreciate how much we're benefiting day to day, from the kind of developments and advances that are being produced in this sector. And then when it comes to really critical moments, crisis moments, health crisis, emergency, etc., where we get to benefit from this extraordinary pace of development in this sector. Like, it's so important, it's so meaningful. And I'm not trying to discount the things that we might go, well, we need to do better there, or the sector needs to change, or do you kind of get what I'm speaking to here?
I do, and it resonates well with me. And I think actually one of the decision making points in time came when I was working as a clinician in Oxford, and I used to sit on the reproductive ethics committee.